Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 18th of April, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the Thailand Board of Investment is driving clean energy investment across over 2,900 projects in the past 10 years. Those projects have a total value exceeding 560 billion baht, pushing Thailand toward becoming a clean energy hub in the region. Thailand is committed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, targeting carbon neutrality by 2050 and net zero emissions by 2065. Under its Power Development Plan, the country aims to increase the share of clean energy to no less than 50% of total electricity generation to support its green industry transition. The Vietnam Offshore Wind Energy Technical Potential Report was announced at a ceremony held on April 18th. The Vietnamese government has set a target for renewable energy to account for at least 33% of the total electricity output by 2030. The report focuses on providing and sharing general information on offshore wind energy development in the world and in Vietnam. Additionally, it also provides information on topography, geomorphology, marine meteorological hazards, and oceanographic conditions in the East Sea and along coastal areas of Vietnam. India's energy storage sector needs to attract 4.79 lakh crore rupees investment by 2030. The National Electricity Plan projected that India will need an energy storage capacity of 16.13 gigawatts with a storage capacity of 82.37 gigawatt-hours by 2027. By 2032, the storage capacity demand is projected to increase to 70.93 gigawatts and 411.4 gigawatt-hours. Despite the nascent stage of offshore wind projects in the Philippines, local banks are stepping up to finance these ventures that are aiming to deliver the first kilowatt-hour by 2028. While interest rates remain relatively high in the Philippines, several government initiatives have made the energy market attractive for offshore wind developers. All the major local banks are seriously looking at financing this type of renewable energy technology. On April 4th, China imposed export controls on 7 rare earth elements and magnets. These elements or manufactured magnets now require special export licenses. The move is in response to tariffs imposed by the United States as high as 145% of the price of goods or raw materials from China. China has also halted shipments from local ports, and they are renegotiating with other countries such as Australia to take the quota previously earmarked for the United States. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.